Hey, welcome back to Out the Smoke. I'm Malcolm. Got Mark here with me. Mark, we have bought a brand new pellet grill.
Brand spanking new.
We are going to fire it up, show y'all what you should do when you get your new pellet grill home.
That's right. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
So Malcolm, the first thing we have to do is get all this paperwork out of the way. Now it's got your owner's manual and everything like that.
We're just making sure there's nothing in the grill that's gonna catch fire, right, Mark?
Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off.
All your grills are gonna come with something on the inside. We can pull these racks, because I wanna show them how we have to prime this auger. So let's pull these all out.
Then of course, gotta remove your little cover on your temperature probe. Got our grease pan.
And our diverter. I'm even gonna take out the heat shield in this grill, because I want you to see that fire pot. Now, whenever you're starting your pellet grill up for the first time, you've got to get your pellets primed in the auger to where the heat rod can ignite the pellets. And that's what the priming process is. Mark, let's show them how we do it.
So Malcolm, we're gonna get our hopper open. We'll get our electrical power cord out and get it plugged in.
If you're having trouble with your pellet grill getting power, always check your connections. Sometimes they work loose, you're moving them around, you don't realize it. They just plug right in, hook it up to the extension cord, you're ready to fire it up.
So we're cooking on a pellet grill, you gotta have pellets. So we'll get our hopper closed, and now it's time to go to the prime feature. So we got our switch on our back already flipped on. We're gonna get the main control turned on, and we're gonna go to the prime feature. So we're gonna hit menu, auger, prime auger, and then she'll start priming. It usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So all you gotta do now, hit prime auger. It says 2 minutes and 20 seconds, this auger will be primed.
So now you can tell the auger is starting to spin. That's bringing the pellets from the hopper down the tube and dropping them in the fire pot. Now you want to prime it like this because it's going to make startup really easy. You're not going to have different temperature swings, and some pellet grills don't have this prime feature. You just have to hold a button down and let the auger spin until you start seeing those pellets drop out. So now you can tell that auger tube's full, starting to drop a few pellets. It's ready to go, Mark.
That's right. Controller says priming complete. Let's go ahead and get our stuff back in here and get this pellet grill fired up.
All right.
So Malcolm, we got the auger primed, all the internals are back in the pit. We're ready to fire this pit up and season it.
So Mark, this goes for any pellet grill on initial burn in. We're gonna step it through some different temperatures. What are we starting out at today?
So we're gonna start out at 350 for about 20 minutes. So all we're gonna do, we'll turn our dial up, get it to 350, select that temperature, and hit ignite. We'll run 350 for 20 minutes, then we'll crank it up to 500 for another 30.
So Mark, we've been running at 500 now for 30 minutes. We took it through that initial burn in. 20 minutes at 350, stepped it up, burn off everything that was on the inside. This grill is ready to start cooking now.
It's hot.
So what we're gonna do is take it through a shutdown cycle, and it'll be ready to fire up, cook some pork butts, cook some ribs, whatever we wanna cook now.
That's right, we'll get it turned down. So we don't want to shut this pit down at 500, so I'm just going to turn it down to about 350. Select that temp, let this pit cool down before we go to the full shutdown process. So you can tell the grill's come down to 350. We're just going to hold this button down and let it start at 15-minute shutdown cycle, and this pit will be good to go. So Malcolm, we got it in the cool down process. We ran the entire burn in. This pit's ready to cool off, fire it up and cook something.
That's right, and this goes for any pellet grill. When you're starting it up, when it's brand new, prime that auger, get everything out of the grill, make sure the pellets are dropping in the firebox, step it up, 350, 20 minutes, 500, 30 minutes, cool it down to about 350 and shut it down. You're good to go at that point. You're gonna cook some fantastic barbecue on a pellet grill. Guarantee it's gonna turn out great.
Too easy.
Too easy. So we appreciate y'all hanging out with us here at Out the Smoke. You know you can find us here at YouTube. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Mark, where can they find your recipes?
They can find us at Swine Life BBQ on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok. We had a good time. Y'all got any questions, let us know.
Hey, and y'all know I'm HowToBBQRight on all those channels. Appreciate y'all checking us out. We'll see you next time.